What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. I am Ravin, and in this today's video we are going to deep dive into an important topic, which is a password strength checker tool. It is a very super duper beginner friendly cyber security project tool. Okay, that is password security checker. Based on the various factors, it will check the strength of your password so that you can able to understand the security security for your password. Okay, so specifically I will be showing you how can you check your strength of your password using a simple Python program. Okay, so this is a great tool to help ensure your password are strong, secure, and not easily guessable. So let's get started. As we know, we all know how important is to have a strong passwords. In today's world, weak passwords are a major security risk. Hackers use tools like brute force and dictionary attacks to crack simple passwords, which is why it's critical to follow best practice for creating a secure passwords. Okay, so in the nowadays you can see in every platform or a service you utilize utilizing on internet, there is a password check for using their services. So it is very important to check your password strength. Okay, so which is the a strong password usually includes a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters, as you know, while also being a good length. It will be a great point. So okay, so in this video I have created a Python program that helps you to check the strength of any password. This password check various factors like the length of the password, and if your password includes uppercase or lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters, it will give you a score and some feedback on how secure your password is. So let's take a look at how this program works. Okay, so first we have import the important libraries, Python libraries for using this tool. First one is array library, which is responsible for handling regular expressions. Okay, second one is sys for system operations, and getpass is a getpass. We have getpass for secure password input. So we then define the function check password strength. Okay, check password strength, which is responsible for take the password as input and check it on multiple factors like length check. Okay, so length check based when the program checks if your password is at least 8 characters long, and if it's 12 characters or more, it gives the extra points. Okay, and another parameter is uppercase and lowercase letters combination. If your password contains both uppercase and lowercase letters, it will check for it. And another is number and special characters. It checks for numbers and special symbols, which are essential for strong password. Okay, so let's go for a live demo. Okay, so let me open the terminal. Okay, let me check Python. Okay, so make sure you have installed the Python interpreter to run the Python program. Okay, so our program name is password checker, so just simply type Python password checker. Okay, and hit enter, and here guys, it prompts us for giving the password. Okay, so let's give a simple password like password let me give it again, Python password checker, password checker, hit enter, give your password as input, and here while you inputting your password, it will not display for security reason, right? So I have just simply type password P capital, and here it giving me the score range between 1 to 7. It giving medium level security, that is 4. Okay, and it giving some feedback like password length is acceptable, right? Password has a 8 characters long, so length is good enough, telling it. It contains uppercase letters, our password. Okay, and in password we are missing numbers and special characters. It giving as a feedback, and it also raising a warning that password contains consecutive characters of the same type. Okay, so let's give a little hard password. So let me give it as a you can check at your level. Okay, so let me give it a hard combination of different combinations of password. Hit enter, and here I have used all the combinations except I have not given any special character, so it giving me like strength of password out of 6 out of 7 score. Then I have used the 12 plus characters in my password string. Then use uppercase, lowercase and numbers, just missing special characters, and it raising warning for password contains consecutive characters of the same type. Okay, so in this way you can you should use this password tool for your daily task while engaging with new services on the internet. After you enter your password, the program will give you the strength score based on your password's quality. It uses scale from 0 to 7 and then classifies the strength as weak, medium and strong. Okay, uh, as you can see, it also gives the feedback for each check, so you know exactly what's good and what's missing. For example, if your password is too short, it will show that as a warning. Similarly, if your password is missing any special character, it will display in a details. So also if the program detects something risky like the repeated characters or the password being too long, it will warn you, so you know what to improve and what changes you should make in your password. It will help you with that. Okay, so after running the program, can you do make your password stronger? Here are some best practice. Okay, uh, uh, so after checking your password, uh, you can go with these simple tricks for your making your password stronger. Do use a mix of character types like uppercase, lowercase numbers, and special character symbols. Please do avoid common patterns. Don't use like simple sequences like 1 2 3 4 or simple password uh, like simple password and any other simple text that can be easily guessable. Making Please do make it your password a little long. Okay, so a password should be at least over 12 characters long, or that's very enough. Okay, use pass phrases like instead of single word, use a combination of random words or sentences that are not relatable to your field or your name or any relatable to you. Okay, so that's all guys. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. But before thanks for the watching the video guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our cyber security tutorials and cyber security projects, as we have started the latest playlist for cyber security beginner friendly projects. Please do follow, and if you have any doubt or any other suggestion, please do comment. Okay, and until next time, stay safe and keep coding. And okay, so see you in next video guys. Bye.